Hey, it's me, and here is setting up Companion Stream Deck for Blackmagic ATEM control. Get a Stream Deck if you don't have one already. Download Companion to your computer. Connect computer and ATEM to the same network via Ethernet. Find ATEM IP info here. Connect Stream Deck via USB and open Companion. Under GUI interfaces, select Target IP according to your setup. Under Instances, search ATEM and add the instance. Enter the IP address and model of the device. Make sure that you get a green OK box. Select Buttons. Here you'll see a blank layout of your Stream Deck on the left. On the right, click Presets, where you'll find ATEM control presets. There's a lot to choose from, but in this example, we'll add buttons that take inputs to preview. Drag and drop desired action into an open spot on your Stream Deck layout to the left. If you drag over an existing button, it'll replace it. Click Applied button to view the configuration settings on the right. Here you can change the button name, color, visual details, and specify controlled input. You can also add delays, but we'll touch on that another time. On the right, select Emulator. This will show a digital replication of what's being sent to your hardware. Actions taken in Companion GUI have immediate effect on physical Stream Deck, and you should see instant feedback.